Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, especially to the distinguished panel of judges. And the gentleman who's going to grill me today is Ambassador Almendrala.
Are you familiar with Philippine literature?
Yes, sir.
Would you remember who is Liwayway Arceo?
No, sir. Unfortunately, no, sir.
Wait, I'll see you.
Liwayway G. Arceo. And her famous short story was titled Uhaw ang Tigang na Lupa. Would you be able to translate that in English?
The land is drying up.
Uhaw ang tigang na lupa.
The land is thirsty.
Close to it. You know.
The dry land is thirsty.
How about Francisco Balagtas? Are you familiar with him?
Yes, sir.
You're familiar. Why is he familiar to you? Who is he?
Because it's the author of Florante and Laura.
Would you be able to give me some lines in Florante and Laura?
Unfortunately, no, I won't be able to make that, sir, because
Second year, high school.
because I'm not really that a fan, or rather familiar with the whole Florante and Laura.
This is a Filipino classic actually.
Yes, sir.
Which every Filipino should know.
Yes, sir.
And the most famous
Ikaw ba
line
may
I think
kabisado?
is Ang laki sa layaw, karaniway hubad. Hubad.
And I'm so sad that I wasn't able to.
I asked the question earlier. How many provinces do we have?
How many provinces? Oh my gosh. Unfortunately, sir, I don't also know the answer to that question.
Yeah.
But approximately it would be
Alam
around
pa lang provinces.
16 to 20 plus. That's only an approximation.
China
We are
20
very
plus lang.
unfortunate this morning.
Yes, sir. And I'm looking
Because
for your forgiveness.
Actually, there are 81 provinces.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Uh, there is a new state in Europe just recognized by the U.S. government. Would you know the name of this country?
Again, sir.
Last week, somewhere in Europe, there is a country that declared itself as a state, an independent state, and the United States government recognized it, and other European countries recognize it as a state. And as a result of this, the U.S. embassy somewhere was stoned and burned. Would you know this country?
Sir, is it Kosovo?
Oh, yeah, you're right. Do you know the capital of Kosovo?
Unfortunately, again, sir, no.
Yeah. It's a name of a girl. It's Christina. It sounds very nice. It sounds like the title of a song.
Christina. Tagal mo tanong, sir.
Well, in the Manila Times, February 27, that was what? Yesterday, right? There was this story about our country may lose claim to vast marine areas, and Secretary Yap sounds alarmed over lack of law asserting Army's claim over international waters. Have you read this?
A bit, sir.
A bit. So can you tell me how and why we may lose our claim to vast marine areas? This has something to do with the law of the seas.
Yes, sir. Unfortunately, sir, we wouldn't be able to elaborate much. But like you said, that's
is about the extended continental shelf. Are you a senior?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
and I'm a bit ashamed that I
Fourth year.
knew very little.
Okay. Do you know who's the Secretary of Foreign Affairs?
Yes, sir. Uh, Alberto Rongo.
So you're not unfortunate this time. Thank you very much.
Sir.